Montu. Montu is the tallest, fastest steel inverted coaster in the southeast United States. Montu with top speed of 65 miles per hour and will take you upside down only 7 times.
Oh, that was the last time.
We are now entering the Serengeti Belt. This is a wild animal habitat, guys, so please remain seated at all times. These animals are free roaming, which means they can be here, they can be there, they can be anywhere they want to be at the time we go by. Close to the truck or car.